Hello everyone and welcome to Cook with Melanine, and today we are making a banana loaf. I'm super excited to show you this. Every time I have overripe bananas, I always make a banana loaf. Even my kids know how to make it by this time. But anyway, I will take you through step by step. It's a super easy recipe to make. You actually just add all the ingredients. You just need to make sure that you have weighed all your ingredients together, and then you add them onto a blending bowl and you basically blend them and bake. So to make this, the first thing you're going to do, these are bananas. The full recipe is down below in the description, so you can actually check it out. But these are bananas. They're super ripe, as you can see. I am going to mash them using a fork. You can also use a masher, but they are so ripe and so easy to actually mash with a fork. And you don't have to mash them too finely because you are going to use your blender to blend all the ingredients together. But obviously you don't want clumps of banana in your banana loaf, so hence I'm doing this. The size of your banana is very important, people. If you use very large bananas, add a little bit more flour, but I've used medium-sized bananas so that it's not too much banana that you have in there. So once you've done that, and that's basically what it looks like, you are going to add that onto your blender. Blender bowl. So in is your banana. What you will do is add your butter, and the butter has been it's been outside the fridge for a while so that it's nice and soft. The eggs, I'm gonna add 2 eggs, but as I said, the recipe is down below in the description box. I just need to fetch a fork, people. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna whisk them together just so that they combine a little bit. In goes the eggs, in goes the milk, and then you will add your dry ingredients. So I've got brown sugar. You can also use caster sugar if you want a much more fluffy texture. Then we've got some salt, we've got some baking powder, we've got some bicarbonate of soda, and then vanilla essence. You can use vanilla extract as well. And then our cake flour goes in, and as you can see, you literally just put everything in. This I am going to put in the blender, and then there you go. You blend it. Blend it over like medium heat. Not medium heat, medium speed. Oh my goodness, heat and speed, 2 different things. As you can see, it starts coming together and becoming a dough. It smells gorgeous. It smells like beautiful bananas. So while this is going, I am going to show you that I have been preheating my oven. Been preheating at 180. So why do you need to preheat? So basically you have to preheat because your temperature needs to be at the maximum level. Otherwise your cake or your bread or whatever you're baking is going to flop, because you don't want to start your oven at a very low temperature and then preheat after that. So that is why we preheat, and that is why some people cook really well and bake really well and some don't, because people skip the preheating step and the oven is not ready. So preheat, I would say preheat for at least 10 minutes, if longer, a little bit longer, like 20 minutes, just to make sure that your oven is at the absolute best temperature. So that looks lovely. I think it's ready, so I'm gonna switch it off. I've switched it off. As you can see, this is basically, it's like a soft batter that you get, and that's the consistency that you want. I'm going to put this now in my prepared tin, And yeah, we're gonna bake it. As you've seen the batter, I'm gonna put it into this prepared. So I've buttered it. I've just lined it with butter. You can also line it with a bit of flour if you want. And then I add that batter into the pan. And yeah, oh my gosh, I don't know you guys if you've ever you know, when you grow up and you like fight for the bowl, and this is the kind of bowl that I would fight for. Okay, just gonna make sure that I scrape everything onto there. Don't leave anything behind. Ah, it's gonna be delicious. We like to have our banana loaf with ice cream, or just with butter and tea. I don't know, how do you guys like to have yours? Anyway, and that's basically that. I am going to bake this. Once it's baked, I'm gonna cool it and then enjoy it. I think it's ready. I'm just gonna test. So what you do is just insert a skewer, and if it comes clean and there's no dough, it's ready. Excitement. It smells gorgeous, guys. It's the best thing that you can ever bake, hey? La la, it's ready. Okay, so it is ready. As you can see, it smells absolutely gorgeous. It's cooled down a little bit in the pan, so that's why I can actually hold the pan. Still warm. So all you have to do is just loosen the sides so that you can take it out and onto a cooling rack, and voila, that is it. I'm going to leave it to cool a little bit before we cut it. Otherwise it's going to be very crumbly if we cut it too quickly while it's still warm. I mean, I love to do that, but anyway, try not to do that. And yeah, we'll come back and cut it together, everyone. And there it is, everyone. It's ready. So I've taken it off the cooling rack and I'm going to start cutting it. Guys, it smells absolutely gorgeous, and that's what it looks like. It's beautiful and it's gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to taste this, guys. I can absolutely not wait. Okay, I don't know why I'm still slicing, because because girl wanna taste, right? Oh, I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna spread some butter on it. Gorgeous. And it's still a little bit warm. As you can see, that butter is like melting right away. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And let me go and play with the other kids. My job here in the kitchen is done. I've hooked you up, girl. You will absolutely love this. Please hit the subscribe button to support me and to see more of my videos when I post them. Thank you so much for watching. And also the notification, the little bell button, click it, girl or guy, whoever's watching. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. Ciao.